truck parking lot here. These guys don't even know what to be doing.
Que toda la madera la vamos ya. Primero juntan las chivas, las herramientas y las ponen para allá, todo lo ponen allí, atrás. Todo lo ponen allí, donde por estar perrito. Todas las herramientas. Todo. Ajá. Y toda la madera así la vamos a estaquear. Una estaca y 4 en un lado. Vamos a hacer. Vamos a usar otra vez después.
It's into the living room. See, I cleaned everything under there. Looks great. This is where the piano was and we moved it. Oops.
Right, in the center.
Yeah, right, into the center, right.
Center and then.
And you'll have to notch it, you know.
And then put a little.
There's some bad wood right there.
Yeah.
On the side.
No, we'll put a
Replace this
block.
one.
We'll put a block here, so that way it doesn't roll. So they'll go like this.
Today's Friday. I think it's about September 29th or 30th by now. Wow, these guys are really doing it. I wonder who's gonna break this up. Yikes. I gotta get a jackhammer. No, sir. I don't know if they want to do that. We had, this is from Ransone Tenemos 2 semanas, 3 semanas, algo así nomás. Se están trabajando mucho. Tal vez 3 semanas, no estoy seguro. ¿Cuándo empezamos exactamente? 2, 3 semanas. Sí, no sé para qué son estos, no vi esto, es la primera vez.
Oh, the rock?
Sí, voy a hacer como un muro allá. Un muro, a wall, de piedra allá.
They found that too?
Yeah, todo eso excavaron. Todo eso excavaron. Es mucho excavar todo eso. Sí, es proyecto grande.
They say, you know, no two people are alike. I mean, I've heard so many horror stories of weeks and complications and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, no, he showed me the x-ray and my root was very, very straight. And he said that makes it a lot easier.
Yeah.
So I think that was maybe what saved me. I don't know.
Yeah, that's good.
You coming? Today is October 7th, I think. They're making the forms finally, I think. There's our plans out there.
¿Dónde está el gato? Aquí va, está mi cuñado gato. Va gato. Espérate. Muchacha, pásame el animal de 2 pies. 2 pies.
Oops, sorry. What?
Ok, mira. Aquí.
No, why don't you leave that for those guys?
10 pulgadas. Clava el uno.
Maya, he's using that. Déjalo para él. Ajá, gracias, Maya.
¿Listo?
Okay. Sí. Did you hear the train, Maya? No, it'll be too late, sweetie. It'll be too late. Wow.
Like orange sitting on the blue again. Going up the stairs, I went on the stairs. I was doing upstairs. And really much to it. All you got to do is doodly do it. I like this so wherever I go. It's doodly doodly oh.
Bravo. I'm taking you to your Aunt Miranda's in Sunnybrook Farm.
I like the Aunt Miranda's. I like my Aunt Miranda's at Sunnybrook Farm. I like my Aunt Miranda's Sunnybrook Farm. I like Aunt Miranda's. Elegant, elegant, elegant. We'll tear it up.
Yummy. Did you guys bring enough? Did they bring enough concrete?
Not one truck.
Oh, not for
It'll be multiple trucks.
most of it. What?
It'll be multiple trucks.
Oh, okay. All day today?
Yeah, it's probably like 3 trucks out there.
Mm-hmm. Dice que 3 camiones llenos de concreto para hoy y no va a llenarlo todavía. O algo así, no sé si no entendí bien o qué, pero nada más vacilando le pregunté, pues, ¿llevaron bastante concreto? Dice, oh, no. Hey, chango. This is 1 truckload. What is today? October 11th? Yep.
Neighbor was here a little while ago.
Gal, the old guy?
No, the gal, white hair, blondish hair, kind of skinny, coffee cup.
Oh, because someone was parked in her space, or she was
No,
okay?
she wanted to see the concrete.
Okay.
Neighbor.
Yeah, her husband, boyfriend came over last night. He was so excited. He was out here with a flashlight all night.
Yeah,
He's the one that has to do his.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why they're so interested.
Oh, okay.
He wants to see what she's in for.
Hey, you know, when you're doing the top here, you need to really kind of feed that hose in there and pump it, you know, hard as possible. I don't even know how well, he's got it figured out. He's got some openings on the inside. Yeah, you're going to feed it in there. You're going to pump it up tight.
Fácil, fácil.
Las que tienen adentro.
Sí.
Está saliendo de las formas. Te dan el trabajo más difícil, ¿ah, Gabino?
It's coming out.
Es que hay espacio en la madera.
Everyone will see it.
Mira. Y aquí tienen que echar más, ¿no? Aquí van a echar más, ¿no?
Sí, hasta
Oh, hasta arriba, ¿no? Sí, oh, aquí vienen. Ahorita, porque ese es este último camión de concreto para hoy.
Like,
Yes, dear. Don't step on those. Don't step on those. Okay, that's wet concrete. Maya, listen to me.
I stepped on the.
Well, don't, because we're trying to fix the house, not mess it up. Oh. Eres famoso.
Ya, está lindo.
Mira.
Oh, how lovely.
There you go. Those are the plants we transplanted from where the foundation is going in. Oh, over here, sweetie. Over here. These over here. Yeah, those new ones. You see which ones are the new ones? They have egg and panthers. There you go. There, they got that all nice and smooth. And they're gonna do some over here too. That's where there's the holes. Because the concrete's still fresh. So you can still repair that kind of hole right now. This time they set up outside. Last time they pulled right in. but she was afraid the truck might not make the turn. This is a famous Michelle that Dennis recommended. So pretty. It's funny to think she drove a truck for granted all those years. Oh, you can't see her right now. Here's the hose for this part here, and also the other side. There's Doug on the phone.
Right. Yeah. I know.
This is going to be a bigger opening though, so I can get my heater through there. That'll be great. Estamos soñando.
That's what I.
All my jobs went okay.
I know.
14 yards to 3/4 done in 1 hour, set up and finished. With 100 feet, 150 feet
Well,
out.
my last job, it's like 275 feet of hose, and this guy was the biggest jerk. Little 90-pounder. You know what I mean? This guy with this big attitude. He kept calling me baby, and he was just killing me. Just killing me. And I was trying to keep it cool with him, you know, and he's like, "You're burying me! You're burying me!" I'm like,
There's not that much concrete, it's only 5 yards. You can't get buried in 5 yards. No.
well, he's got 4 or 5 inch forms, but he only wants it 2 inches. I'm like, where do you want me to pour to? The bottom of the form? No, that's too hard. I'm like, well, okay, I'm not that good. You know, you got to give me something.
Kind of line, yeah.
Let's set a wet line. What the hell is a wet line?
My joke about the dog is God made all the other dogs, and he had some leftover parts that didn't go anywhere, and he put them together and made Chongo. Nothing fits.
I had a golden retriever and she was actually pigeon-toed. I mean,
Well, he's this way one way and that way the other way. Yeah. Yeah, he's just goofy. Nothing fits. I think he's just too mixed breed. Too many breeds.
We may have to.
Oh, Doug's working. I got it on tape here.
It's a T&M job, you know.
Oh, he likes that. He likes that.
I'm just teasing.